Hello, my name is Alexi, this is Neo, and this is our home on wheels. My van is Citroen Jumper 2009 and it has been driven for 180,000 kilometers. It's a manual and a diesel. I bought it for 12,000 euros. Let's begin the tour here in outside. I'm running aluminum wheels with winter tires that looks like all-terrain tires, and they have worked great. Under the car we can find my grey wire system and also the intake and exhaust of my diesel heater. On top is my 345 watt solar panel and 4 air intakes. And now let's move to the garage. I must warn you, it's a bit crowded in there at the moment. In the back you can see I have an extra layer of insulation. I also have a door for my garage and a window to keep me warm. Here is where I keep most of my gear. Here's a short list of the supplies that I carry around on my adventures. There's a mount for the bike on the rear door. On both sides I have fresh water filling hoses. And now let's hop inside. This is how the entrance looks like. Here I keep my shoes, my dog's water and food bowl. I have 3 AGM batteries located under the seat. Combined they have power of 750 amp hours. Also all my fuses and inverter is under the seat. The inverter is 2000 watts. And this is the place where I do most of my editing and eating. My extra counter space flips up. I have a lid on my induction oven and on the top you can see my pots and pans. Here you can see my induction oven and on the right side of it is my sink. I also have a microwave and a mini fridge located here. Below the mini fridge you can see my pull-out drawers where I keep my bits and bobs. This drawer is my charging station. And under that you can find my food. Oh wait, let's get it open first. Kick the fridge and now it's open. Here is the food. And yes, I have 2 fridges. This one you can actually put as a freezer as well. And right off the fridge freezer you can see my shower closet, which is actually mostly storage right now. Fun fact, I have never taken a shower inside the car. I have also outside shower on the side of my van. And finally we come to the rear of the car where the bed is. The bed is 140 centimeters wide and 185 centimeters long. I have 2 45-liter tanks hidden underneath the bed. Combined there is 90 liters of fresh water on board. Now let's take a quick look at the electronic panel. The first switch is rear 12-volt sockets. This switch turns on and off the 4 fans that I have on each corner of my van. This switch turns on and off my charging station. This switch is for the water pump. And this switch turns on my diesel heater, which is mounted underneath the sink, and I have 4 outlets pushing air to each side of the van. Let's turn all off for now. Here you can see all the information about my solar panel. I have MPPT solar charger rated for 25 amps. And this turns on my inverter. I have also installed these privacy curtains that block the sunlight from coming in. And let's take a quick look on my storage system. This cabinet is mounted above the seating area. Similar cabinets are also on top of the induction oven and in the back. I also have this hanging closet, which is a bit full at the moment. That's all for now. What do you think about my van conversion? Leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching and bye!